As many as 94.48 lakh electors in the 6 parliamentary constituencies of Sambalpur, Keonjhar, Dhenkanal, Cuttack, Puri and Bhubaneswar and the 42 assembly segments will be exercising their franchise on 25th May. BJD leader and Khurda MLA Jeetu Mitra today joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, in an unusual way during the roadshow carried out by BJP's Bhubaneswar Lok Sabha candidate Aparajitha Sarangi and MLA nominee from Khurda Prashant Jagdev. Simulia MLA Jyoti Prakash Panigrahi on Thursday is back in the Biju Janata Dal, BJD, after resigning from it yesterday. A cyclone is likely to form over the Bay of Bengal and head towards Bangladesh and adjoining West Bengal coasts, predicted the India Meteorological Department on Thursday. Manipal Hospitals on Wednesday announced the successful brand integration of the 400-bedded Amri Hospital in Bhubaneswar, which was acquired in September 2023. Repolling is underway at 2 polling booths in Kandhamal district amid tight security arrangements on Thursday. The poll campaign has hit a high pitch ahead of the Phase 3 polling for Lok Sabha and Assembly seats in Odisha scheduled for 25th May. Former Chhatrapur MLA and CPI leader Narayan Reddy was released from Berhampur jail after 10 months upon being granted interim bail from the Orissa High Court. Chief Minister and Biju Janata Dal, BJD, President Naveen Patnaik today campaigned for party candidates in 3 Lok Sabha constituencies Bhubaneswar, Puri and Cuttack. In addition to 51 mobile patrolling parties, over 3,000 policemen have been deployed in Bhubaneswar Urban Police District, UPD, for peaceful polling in 1132 booths in the upcoming general elections on 25th May, which include 5 Vidhan Sabha seats. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to visit Odisha again on 29th May to campaign for party candidates, with giving a final boost to electioneering in the state. Former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda on Thursday issued a stern warning to his fugitive grandson and JDS MP Prajwal Revanna, the prime accused in the alleged sex video scandal in Karnataka. Bihar Finance Minister Vijay Kumar Chaudhary on Thursday took a jibe at leader of the opposition, LOP, Tejasvi Yadav, for celebrating and cutting a cake midair in his helicopter. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday slammed the Congress model of governance, saying that the party has converted Haryana into a machine of loot by deceiving the state's farmers and youth. Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma on Thursday said that West Bengal CM Mamta Banerjee's open defiance of the court's order is judicial contempt. BJP leader and Pilibhit's sitting MP, Varun Gandhi, reached Sultanpur on Thursday to campaign for his mother Maneka Gandhi, who is contesting from the seat. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Thursday said that the two, Shehzade, Princes, Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav, have already booked tickets for their vacation abroad as they want to escape the heat here. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on Thursday claimed that there was a Congress wave in Haryana, taking objection to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah writing repeatedly to Prime Minister Narendra Modi demanding the cancellation of the diplomatic passport of the prime accused in the sex videos case and absconding JD.S. MP Prajwal Revanna. As the Calcutta High Court's cancellation of over 5 lakhs OBC certificates granted in West Bengal after 2010 created a political tsunami in the state, observers pointed out that early indications of the imminent complications started surfacing last year. After giving the viral hook step in the song Sami Sami from Pushpa, The Rise, actress Rashmika Mandanna is all set to showcase her dancing prowess with another catchy step in the upcoming track, Suseki, in the second installment of the Allu Arjun Stara, Pushpa 2, The Rule, as per the teaser. The first look of Love in Vietnam, starring Shantanu Maheshwari, Avneet Kaur, and Vietnamese actress Kha Nagan, was unveiled at the 77th Cannes Film Festival. The upcoming week on streaming platforms brings exciting new seasons of fan-favorite series like Panchayat 3, Illegal 3, to the Randeep Hooda starrer film Swatantra Veer Savarkar. The makers of the upcoming comedy film Welcome to the Jungle, starring Akshay Kumar, Sanjay Dutt, Anil Kapoor and Raveena Tandon among many others, have hired almost 200 horses along with horsemen for an action sequence. The scenes have been shot with utmost safety. The fifth hero from the upcoming sci-fi epic movie, Kalki 2898 AD, will be unveiled at Hyderabad during the trailer launch event on 22nd May. A.S. Viswanathan, the CEO of Chennai Super Kings, CSK, said they have always respected the decisions taken by the legendary MS Dhoni and that the decision on his future in the franchise has been left to him, which they expect will come at an appropriate time. Former India, Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings, CSK, batter Ambati Rayudu has mocked Royal Challengers Bengaluru, RCB, with an Instagram post following their playoff exit from the Indian Premier League's IPL ongoing season on Wednesday. The International Cricket Council, ICC, on Thursday launched its all-new anthem and music piece, composed and produced by renowned Grammy Award-winning film and television composer, Lorne Buffet, to be played across ICC World events. In IPL 2024, Glenn Maxwell had a horrid time with Royal Challengers Bengaluru, RCB, making just 52 runs with the bat at an average of 5.77 and being dismissed for a duck 4 times, apart from taking only 6 wickets with his off-spin. Rajasthan Royals went up and down in their chase of 173 but finally managed to end their 5-match winless streak with a 4-wicket win over Royal Challengers Bengaluru in the IPL 2024 Eliminator at the Narendra Modi Stadium on Wednesday.